Hey guys, welcome back to another day, another lesson. Today we're going to read a story about the amusement park problem. Do you know what an amusement park is? Think Dorney Park, Six Flags, places where you can go and ride roller coasters, and you smell popcorn, you can get peanuts and cotton candy, and play a bunch of games and win prizes, and tons of fun rides. Do you guys like to go on roller coasters? They are my favorite. The bigger, the faster, the better for me. All right, guys, so let's listen up and learn about the amusement park problem. All right, make sure you are thinking about what lessons did Matt learn? What's the difference between being aggressive and being assertive? And how might Matt felt if he agreed to go on the ride with Laura, and why? All right, the amusement park problem. The smell of popcorn was in the air. I could hear kids laughing and screaming. People were everywhere. The breeze felt warm on my skin. It was a perfect day at the amusement park. My family and I wandered around the park, getting snacks and going on rides. I loved almost all types of rides. I loved to go on fast and to spin around and to go down hills and to get splashed. The only rides I didn't like were the rides that turned you upside down. My little brother, Ben, didn't like those either, but my older sister, Laura, loved them. When we finally were near a ride that went upside down, she started asking me to go with her. I told her I don't like those rides, but she kept asking. Then she started whining because she didn't want to go alone. I was feeling sympathy for her, so I started thinking that maybe I should go with her, even though I don't really like to go upside down. I looked to my parents for help. Matt, if you are allowed to stand up for yourself. If something makes you feel really uncomfortable, you can tell people no. It's okay to tell Laura that you love her, but that you can't go with her because going upside down makes you uncomfortable. Be strong, but kind when you tell her, so that she knows you're serious, Mom said. I don't want to make Laura mad or sad, though, I replied to Mom. And I don't want her to think that I'm being mean. There's a difference between being aggressive and being assertive. You're not saying no to be mean to Laura or to hurt her feelings. You're just listening to your own feelings to make sure you stay safe. It's fine to tell her no for this, Mom answered. The same goes for Laura. If you ask her to arm wrestle and she doesn't feel comfortable, she's allowed to say no. We are allowed to stand up for ourselves to make sure we stay safe. Does that make sense? Yeah, thanks, Mom, I said. I told Laura that I love her and I like to do things with her, but that I wasn't comfortable going upside down rides today because they scare me. She was sad, but went on the ride by herself and was really happy when it was over. We had a great rest of the day at the amusement park. The end. All right, so let's go back to our questions. What lesson did Matt learn? Right? Matt was the brother that was afraid to go on the upside down ride. So what lesson did he learn? What is the difference between being aggressive and being assertive? We learned about being assertive with our second step program. Do you guys remember? What does it mean to be assertive? And how might have Matt felt if he agreed to go on the ride with Laura? And why? All right, guys, make sure you bring your answers with you next time I see you. All right, have a good rest of your day. Bye.